My name is Niyamuda and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create your WhatsApp channel. Not just only that, I'm also going to show you how to view all people's status because of this new update. So basically, this is it. WhatsApp just started rolling out channels. Okay, channels basically is like a broadcast that you use to reach your audience. Before now, this can only be done on Telegram. Just like right here, you click here, you'll be able to create a Telegram channel. You add your channel name, you add the channel description. This has been on Telegram for a very long time. Now, WhatsApp recently updated this new feature on their platform, and it is very easy. All you need to do now is to go over to WhatsApp. All right, go over to Google Play Store. All right, if you are using WhatsApp Business, for example, then you have to go to WhatsApp Business on your Google Play Store like this and click on update. So when you click on update, you wait for it to load. It doesn't really take so much time. Within few seconds, if you have a good internet connection, it will be updated. Now this is 100%. Once it's updated, then you can go ahead and open your WhatsApp Business. If it's the normal WhatsApp messenger you use, just go ahead and update it, because whenever there is a new feature, you need to update your WhatsApp to access it. So I have opened WhatsApp Business right now. Now this is my WhatsApp Business. Now this is it. Okay, now originally, let me show you something. I want to unfollow all these guys and then show you how it's going to look like from the beginning. Right, so just remaining to let me unfollow this. So it depends on what shows on your timeline is what the person you are following. So if you are not following any person, once you just update your WhatsApp status, your WhatsApp app now, one thing you will notice that the search icon, this search icon that used to be there before, usually where you want to search, that search icon that used to be here, the search icon used to be here before. Let me show you. The search icon used to be here before, right here. Are you seeing that place now? So right there, you can that place there, so you can search on people's status. So there's a particular influencer, the particular person that posts valuable content on their WhatsApp, and you can actually just search for them. Because just imagine trying to scroll and search all these thousands of status. Okay, it's going to be very, very strenuous. All right, so you will discover that the search icon has disappeared. It's no longer there. Okay, that is number one. So if you want to be easily access people's status, then you can't search them from here anymore. Okay, so because it's going to be vertical like this, so you can actually do this, or alternatively you would have to search the person's name here. All right, the person you want to view their status, just directly search their name. Let's say, so you search the person's name like this, and then you'll be able to view their status. All right, that is one of the solution. Okay, so now let's go over to how to create your WhatsApp channel. Now before you create your WhatsApp channel, you are going to be seeing something here. Okay, so notice now that there is nothing showing here. There is no option for me to follow anybody. It's as if now the feature is no longer showing on my WhatsApp. So what you have to do is just to log out, then relaunch WhatsApp. As soon as you relaunch it, you're going to see the follow option. So just swipe to your left like this to update, swipe to update, and follow at least one channel immediately like this. It didn't show now, so you go back again, try and open it again. swipe and then follow somebody. I have followed that, then follow this, then are you seeing that now? So you wait for it. Cool. Now this is how it's going to look like. Remember that in the first interface I show you, the status was vertical like this. They were all going like this, vertical. But now the status is now going like this, horizontal. You see that now? So this time, if you want to search for, if you want to see somebody's status, it's going to be appearing right here at the bar, just like exactly the way it is on Telegram, because WhatsApp actually copied from Telegram. If you can see it here, this is it. This is how it looks on Telegram. You can see. Are you seeing that now? This how exactly look on Telegram. So that's what WhatsApp did here. That was where they got the idea from. You can see that now. So that is it. So having done that, now you want to learn how to follow channels. How to follow channels. So these are the channels. Now I have followed Brain Jotter, and there are many other channels. You'll be able to get their updates. Okay, you can just search here to find your channels. Look at them. You can see them. So whichever channel you follow, anyone you follow, you're going to be seeing them on your timeline. So if you want to search for more channel, you can actually go here right there, click on the channel you want to search on, and then let's say channels TV. Right, so just search for whatever channel you want to search for. Okay, and you can see them here. These are channels in Nigeria. Okay, you can suggest suggested channels in Nigeria. There are much. So whichever one you decide to follow, you are going to see them in your timeline. So let's go back to my timeline now. Timeline, you will see them now, all of them. Are you seeing them now? You see them. So you're going to be getting their update right here, exactly right here like this. You see them. Okay, so how do you create your own channel? To create your own channel is very, very easy. Just click the plus icon. Remember that if this option is not showing, click the plus icon just like this. This is it. Are you seeing the plus icon? Click on the plus icon. You will see two options. Number one, you're going to see the option that says create channel. If you're not seeing this option that says create channel now, just chill, just relax. Make sure your WhatsApp is updated and wait for 24 to 48 hours, sometimes even 72 hours. Just be patient, you will see it. After that, just click on it. Very, very easy. Click on create channel, and then you will see this information. Create a channel to reach unlimited followers, blah 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 blah, and every other information here. Then click continue. So you first put the channel, your channel profile picture. It's just like your normal profile picture. So I'm gonna go over here. All right, I'm gonna go over there, and I'm going to just quickly select. I'm going to select this. All right, so just look for a decent picture that you can use as your WhatsApp profile picture. After that, you want to get the name. So I'm going to put Amoda TV right here. And then the description is going to be basically what your channel is all about. Okay, so all right, so you put in what your channel is all about, and then you click create channel. Hula, you see that the channel has been created without wasting any time. This is it. Okay, so to get more people to follow your channel, just click on share and then copy the link here. You'll be able to share it to your audience, or you can click on share to my status. Immediately the channel will share to your status and people will be able to follow you. Don't forget to like this video, tell me what you think about it in the comment section, and follow for more tutorials like this. Check the pinned comment. You will see you'll be able to follow me on my WhatsApp channel. Thank you.